Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert picture into text box in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to insert picture into a text box. Go to the blank page. Then go to the tools section and we can see here many tools. Firstly, we select the frame text tool, otherwise the text box tool. Now I draw a text box. Then again go back the tools section and select the place tool. Then choose picture from our file. Now I select this picture and click open. Then we can see this picture is big. Then we select the move tool and resize the picture. Press Ctrl and zoom out the document and resize the picture. Set in this page. Now we can see we insert a picture into our text box very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.